My video guide is about getting rid of the adware-type application that is called PrimaryServiceSearch. PrimaryServiceSearch is the adware that specifically attacks Mac computers. And we made the research of this adware and we found that it actually belongs to the adload family. This adware, if it gets installed, starts to display the annoying amount of advertisements not associated with the sites that you actually visit. This adware, by the way, is from the adload family. We found it while inspecting the new submissions to the VirusTotal database. This adware is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in many cases people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this PrimaryServiceSearch adware was installed into your Mac, check your Finder, check your applications, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you carefully investigate your system with the help of reliable antivirus called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start thoroughly researching your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.